Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Datalogicwithshivam. I am back with another video on Power BI. But before moving forward, I would request you to like this videos and subscribe to my channel. I have been posting shorts on Power BI interview questions on daily basis. Also, I have been posting videos on Power BI interview question which I usually ask to candidate or have been asked to me in an interview. Now let's move to Power BI. First we will go to dataset. Now here, if you can see here, I have plant like plant ABC, plant ABC, plant ABC, which have material ABC 1, 2, 3, ABC 2, 3, 4 and ABC 5, 6, 7. Then I have plant DEF, DEF and HIJ, HIJ, which have subsequent material which has been created into these plant. Now I have this quantity and the spend also with me. Now I'll go to report view again, and if you can see here the visual, we have plant and the spend. Now if I will expand the hierarchy, you will see this under the plant I have materials, and into materials we have quantity, and in plant we have spend. So the interview question was, create a DAX which will calculate the spend when it is at the plant level, and when it is in material level it should calculate the quantity. I hope you understand the question. Let me again reiterate. So the question was to create a DAX measure which will create a sum of spend at the plant level and a sum of quantity at the material level. So to achieve this, let's move to measures. I'll create new measure. So I will use InScope function here. So what is InScope function? It returns true when the specified column is the level in a hierarchy of levels. So we will use InScope function to check current hierarchy, and accordingly we will add the calculation. I'll name this measure as spend and quantity new. Then first I will create the variable of quantity, the sum of quantity. Then I will create the variable for spend, which will be my sum of spend. Now I will write return, and I will use here switch function. So I will first put true. So when it is true, then for example, first it will check the InScope function. I will give the material number first, because the lower hierarchy should come first. Then I'll close the bracket, and then I will use the quantity variable. Then I will use again InScope function. I will use the plant here. I will close the bracket, and then here I have spend, and then close the bracket and hit enter. So I will put this measure into my visualization. Now see, we have achieved the same output which we required. Now if you notice here, in total we have blank, and the reason for this is we have not put anything in else. So we wanted to have the aggregated value of the spend into the total also. I will go to the measure and then into else into else. I will put spent. Okay, and then close the bracket, hit enter. Now we have the required output here. I hope you like this video, and I would suggest you to please go through this problem and solve it by yourself. And if you know a better solution, then please write it down in the comment section. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.